when I would call, they would say, you have slurred speech, so what are you taking? My equilibrium would be off. And Dr. Ajrawat has explained all that to me as far as where my headaches stem from, which is a common part of my headaches. He also found that my right leg was shorter than my left. And I have a lift that I generally wear. And the main thing is to have a positive outlook. And the meditation therapy, like I say, has changed my life completely, and it's made me a much more empathetic person. But pain is real, and it's not something that you can see. But it needs to be believed, because people get desperate. And I just, like I say, there's people that I would like to really give my heart and soul to, but Dr. Ajrawat, he's my angel. He's just really helped me deal with this pain. And like I say, since March, I haven't taken anything for pain control, because I'm able to control the pain with the meditation therapy. And my doctors are my primary care physician is very impressed. And my family now has a different outlook, because they see a new person. They're like, we have the old Lori back. So for me, it's the best thing that ever happened in my life.
On a recent New Year's Day, Kate Schwarzkopf fell down a flight of stairs with both hands full of Christmas presents. Kate fractured her coccyx, what is called the tailbone. The fracture could not be fixated or put in a cast, and would take 4 months to heal. In addition, Kate could have residual pain for up to a year. Her doctors prescribed pain medication, which did little to alleviate Kate's agony.
Hi, my name is Kate Schwarzkopf, and I have been under Dr. Ajrawat's treatment since January of this year. I fell down the stairs and fractured my coccyx, or my tailbone, and was having severe pain. I had seen a few doctors prior to him, which dismissed my pain as something I just needed to sort of buck up and get over with. But I wasn't satisfied with that answer, so I sought out someone else that could help me with my pain. I found Dr. Ajrawat through the internet, and through his treatment, not only has my back pain been greatly reduced, my functionality has improved, I've lost weight. I've also, before my accident, suffered from depression and anxiety for several years. And through his meditation therapy, as well as the treatments, it's been amazing, the transformation. It all comes together, the mind and body sort of works as one. And as my physical pain was relieved, so was my mental pain. And I can't thank him enough for really treating me as a whole person rather than just piecemeal, like some of the other doctors that I had seen before. They just wanted to treat my back, and that was it, and didn't really care, how I needed to function. However, he really treated me as a whole person, and I'm doing much better for it. And so I'm very grateful for the therapy, and hopefully, through these efforts, more people will, be relieved of their pain, and not only their physical pain, but their mental pain as well, because it's helped me, and I know it's helped others, so I really appreciate it. In addition to my the initial injury that brought me to Dr. Ajrawat, after the treatment for my back, I had other pain in certain places in my body, particularly my legs, my upper shoulders, in between my neck, where I store a lot of my tension because of being a nursing student, and it's very stressful at times. And so we worked on a lot of these what we call trigger points that helped the muscles relax and become less painful. It increased my flexibility, decreased my pain. I also, as a woman, have suffered from severe menstrual cramps, and we did some trigger point therapies on some of the abdominal muscles as well as the leg muscles around the pelvic area, and it made a substantial difference in less cramping, less discomfort during my menstrual period. So just working on those different areas has changed my body so much, and the meditation really helped bring it all together through the mind, body, and it helped with my depression and my anxiety. Things that used to stress me out were more easy to cope with. School was definitely less stressful. I would use my meditation not only the few times a day that Dr. Ajrawat would tell me to do it, but when I would find myself in a situation where I was stressed out, whether it was right before an exam or some other situation, I would use the meditation therapy that he taught me to calm myself, relax, and become more at peace. And it's really helped tremendously with my mental functioning and lessening the depression and anxiety. So it takes a lot of treatment and a lot of time, but through it all, it can help a lot of people, and I'm so fortunate that I was one of them. Thank you.